If you look at this card, you can see a figure in a red cloak walking away from 8 golden cups. The cups are arranged in 2 rows. 5 cups are at the bottom and 3 are on top. There is a gap between them, showing that something is missing. Even though the cups are still standing, the person chooses to leave. The figure is walking toward dark mountains. Above them, there is a moon with a face. The cups belong to the element of water. Water represents emotions and emotional fulfillment. Here, it shows that emotional satisfaction is no longer there. The moon represents the inner mind and intuition. It shows a feeling that it is time to move on. The mountains represent a difficult but important journey. Overall, this card shows walking away from something that no longer feels right. It represents leaving the past and searching for deeper meaning. If upright, no or walking away. If reversed, yes or staying or returning. Career business studies. If upright, you may leave a job or project that no longer makes you happy. You may feel that money or status is not enough anymore. You want something more meaningful. It can also show burnout or feeling tired of your current situation. If you are planning a change, it shows you are ready to leave the familiar. In business, it can show leaving a deal or plan that is not working. In studies, it can show changing a subject or leaving a course. If reversed, you may know something is not right, but still feel afraid to leave. In career, it can show staying in a job only for security. If you are looking for a job, you may return to something familiar because it feels safe. In business, it can show trying to fix something that is not working instead of letting go. In studies, it can show continuing a course because you feel you have come too far to quit. Love relationship breakup. If upright, you may realize a relationship is no longer fulfilling. You may feel emotionally distant or alone. It can show a quiet ending where feelings slowly fade. In a breakup, it shows the strength to walk away. You choose your peace over something that no longer feels right. If reversed, it can show a relationship where you break up and get back together again. You may stay because you are afraid to be alone. You may avoid facing your true feelings. In a breakup, it can show holding on to the past. Health. If upright, you may need to take a break and step away to heal. Emotional stress may be affecting your body. It shows rest and recovery are important now. If reversed, you may ignore signs that your body needs rest. You may feel stuck in an unhealthy routine. You may avoid dealing with emotional stress. General guidance. If upright, it is okay to walk away from what no longer feels right. Listen to your inner voice. If something feels missing, it likely is. If reversed, ask yourself if you are staying out of fear. Moving forward may feel difficult, but it is necessary. So, the Eight of Cups shows that walking away is not failure. Sometimes it is the right choice for your growth. It is a journey of self respect and emotional truth. It reminds you to move toward what truly matters.